Guys, I'm in my room and I see a bunch of lights flashing through the window. So I come to check. And I'm just watching a couple of memes and going through my videos. And I just see it's really hard to focus, but there's just a big horde of birds out there, like a bunch of birds. Oh, you can see the stains. But yeah, there's just, sorry, my plants. Yeah, there's yeah, the window. Oh, nope, I can't open the window. But there's 50 of them out right now. There's just 50 of them. I'm gonna go see if I can go in the backyard and terrorize them. That's what they need. They're going, looks like they're gonna go get a bunch of worms and stuff. I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if I can go terrorize them. And yes, I'm still in my pajamas. And yes, it's cold outside. So I'm gonna just look like a weirdo going outside. And I'm the wire that shut my headphones. Oh, soggy. Oh. You see it? That's all birds. Oh my god. That's a lot of birds. That's just a lot of birds. I'm gonna kill you all! Die! Oh jeez. Oh jeez. On the roof. Oh no. Free! They don't see me. I'm just gonna go back inside. It's cold. Jeez, that's a lot of birds. Oh no. Don't you feel, I just feel like they're gonna come attack me all. That's a lot of birds. That's a lot of birds. Like the Air Force. Dude! I'm going. Okay.